Okay, let's be honest. Who actually enjoys cleaning their CPAP? Yeah, no one. Between work, family, and just trying to catch some sleep, who has time to sit there scrubbing every little part? But what if I told you there are 5 insanely smart hacks that can make CPAP cleaning faster, easier, and more effective, and keep your mask and tubing fresher for longer? Today, I'm spilling the CPAP cleaning secrets you've never heard before. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 3. Hack number 1, the 60-second disinfection trick. You're about to leave the house running late and you realize, I forgot to clean my CPAP again. Here's the ultimate time saver, CPAP disinfectant wipes. A quick wipe down removes bacteria, oils, and buildup in under 60 seconds. No mess, no hassle, just clean and done. Now before you say, how is that a hack? Everyone knows about CPAP wipes and they're just a convenience. Well, the trick is to do it right. Focus on the cushion where it touches your face to remove oils and dirt that can cause leaks, especially around the ends where bacteria and moisture accumulate. Clean the entire mask, including the headgear, to prevent bacteria buildup. And don't forget the CPAP machine exterior. Wipe down the surface of your CPAP machine, especially buttons and areas that collect dust. Leave your equipment air drying on your nightstand or bathroom counter so it's fresh and ready for the next night. Scented wipes are available, but unscented wipes are better for people with allergies or fragrance sensitivities. Keep a pack by your nightstand so it's the first thing you do after taking off your mask in the morning. Hack number 2, the deep clean shortcut. No scrubbing required. If you've ever wrestled with CPAP tubing in the sink, you know it's a pain. Water gets everywhere and somehow the inside never feels totally clean. Solution, a CPAP cleaning machine. Machines like the Lumen or Baptizer use activated oxygen or UV light to kill germs without soaking or scrubbing. And the C-Spring Ready Clean uses high pressure spray jets and natural citric acid for a deep cleaning. Just pop your gear in, press start, and boom. Fully sanitized while you do literally anything else. You can also bundle your cleaning machine with a Healthy Hose Pro tubing, the only antimicrobial CPAP tube designed to eliminate and prevent up to 99.99% of bacteria. Before we jump into hack number 3, let me show you another one of my favorite CPAP cleaning accessories. The C-Spring Deep Clean Wand, a powerful yet easy to use tool designed to thoroughly clean your water chamber. Its rotating jet stream effectively dislodges stubborn dirt and buildup, leaving your chamber sparkling clean and odor-free. Remember, it's important to clean your water chamber as it's a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. Hack number 3, the unexpected household item that works wonders. Okay, here's a secret hack you probably have right now in your house. White vinegar and water. Mix 1 part vinegar and 3 parts warm water. Soak your tubing and mask for 30 minutes, then rinse. It's cost effective and works just as well. Plus, it helps break down stubborn mineral buildup, so your CPAP gear stays fresher longer. And I promise it won't leave an odor behind. Hack number 4, the lazy but genius drying trick. My 4th tip is mostly for your tubing needs. Ever notice how drying your tubing takes forever? And if you don't dry it properly, hello mold. Well, a simple fan or your bedside lamp is the ultimate solution. Hang your tubing over a standing fan or near a warm lamp and it dries twice as fast. No more damp, musty CPAP smells. And if your machine has a heated hose, turn it on for a few minutes to dry everything faster. Hack number 5, the smartest way to stay on top of CPAP cleaning with no effort. Life gets busy. It's easy to forget CPAP cleaning. That's why I swear by automated reminders. Set a simple calendar alert on your phone to deep clean your CPAP once a week. Or use an app like the Sleep HQ that tracks your CPAP usage and reminds you to clean. I hope these tips are helpful and you find the one that works best for you and your daily routine, because the idea is that you stick to a cleaning routine. But be honest with yourself. If you feel you're lazy with your cleaning routine, you might need to replace your gear more often. I want to recommend as your most cost-effective and healthy option to subscribe and receive your supplies automatically. Why? Because that's the best way to guarantee your equipment is clean, fresh, and working properly. With automatic replenishments, you can have peace of mind. So let me know in the comments below which is your favorite cleaning hack, And if you have a tip that can help our community, please share. We are all about helping each other make this journey easier and more convenient. I'd love to hear your tips. I'll also link the products I mentioned in this video in the description. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be working on more videos just for you. Until next time.